Just finishing up on this driveway here. Got a long concrete driveway we're putting the final touches on. This was very dirty. Do it about once a year, and it's finally almost done. So doing a final spray off here, we had to connect an extra section of hose because it was so long. 200 feet of hose was just quite not enough. We need about 210, 212. So anyway, getting the final spray off done now. It's all dirt and junk out of here. Have a brand new, fresh looking driveway. So that is what we got. Got some fresh washing on the back too, sorry. And we are out of here. Give us a call if we can help you with any exterior cleaning needs. Commercial or residential, large or small, 615-870-7797. I'll catch you on the next one.